Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you're new and viewing for the first time, we would like to take this time to say welcome. We would love to have you as part of the Elegance family. We would love it if you would hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notification so that you would be notified every time we post a new video. Today we are making a lit buffalo check centerpiece to put on your mantle, your fireplace, around your Christmas tree, any place in your house. So if this is a project you think you may be interested in making, just continue to keep watching. We purchased this vase last year at Michael's after the holidays. Michael's had an 80% off clearance and we purchased it for $5. And today we are using it to make a holiday decor and we are spraying this vase white. All materials that we use will be listed in the description bar below this video. We are just sponging a pure white paint over the vase. This part is optional, you don't have to do it. We just want to give it more of a polished look. We are making our Santa Claus hat and we have cut our pattern. If you don't know how to sew or you don't have a desire to sew, you can always use your glue gun and put it together. We thought it would be so adorable to make little mittens, so we are cutting the pattern out to sew these little mittens. If you're not interested in sewing, you can always use your glue gun to put it together. We thought it would be nice to add a little color to the decor, so we decided to add some pink to the pine cones. So now we are finally dressed in the polar bear and we are putting this arrangement together. So this does complete our tutorial for today, and if you like this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment down below. Let us know what you thought of the project for today. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, we would love to have you. So all you have to do is hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notification so that you will be notified every time we post a new video. Until next time, may God bless you and keep you, and we will see you in our next video. Bye.